it's Izzy and welcome back to my channel.
I've been thinking about.
So as you can probably see from the format of this video already, this is going to be a vlog style video. So this video sounds like a stupid idea, but I actually think it's a good idea. So basically I am going to be cooking all of my food for 24 hours. Now most of you watching this will probably be like, do you not already do that? Well, no. Normally I'll make my breakfast and then normally I'll get my lunch at school, so I don't have to cook that. And then obviously as we live in a house and my mum doesn't work, she'll cook our tea. So no, I don't really. But today I'm going to do it. So, first meal of the day is breakfast. I'm not going to lie, it's about 10 o'clock right now. I'm starving, so I'm gonna cook my breakfast. So I've just got a cup out, a bowl out, and also a spoon out. I think I'm gonna make some porridge, but I'm gonna make it the easy way. So I'd be lying if I said I was gonna make it from scratch. I'm just gonna use one of these Quaker oat pots, and this says it's ready in 2 minutes. I think I need scales. Just use my teeth to open the packet, and then I'm going to pour the packet in the bowl. I'm going to put my bowl on my scales, and then I'm just going to set it to 0 because I want to measure from 0, and I also want it in mil. So I don't know what I'm saying, this is if it's a tutorial. Next, then I'm just going to put 180, I think it is. Okay guys, so now I need to put it in the microwave. So this is our microwave, so I'm just going to turn it on. And I think it said 2 minutes. So just adjust the dial for 2 minutes. Then I'll open the door without spilling any. I'm going to put it in the microwave. Then I press go, so now the microwave's going. If the microwave's really loud, but with my breakfast every day I love to drink some juice. But my favourite type is the strawberry and banana smoothie. The one from Aldi is the best, but this one is from Sainsbury's and it's okay. So I always just like to have a drink. This was like one of your 5 a day and stuff, so it's good. And obviously if I'm doing this before, I'll have this in the morning before school as well, which is always good just to have a little bit of a swig of drink. Okay, so my favourite thing to have on my porridge at the moment has been some raspberries and some like runny honey. The raspberries literally like dissolve into the porridge and it's so nice. So yeah, I do quite like having fruit in my breakfast as well because I really like sweet things. Although the honey is sweet, so are the raspberries, but obviously they're like natural sugars and stuff. But can we just say no one judge what I eat in this video. This isn't a what I eat, trying to be healthy. This is just me trying to cook. And yeah. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's too hot. Okay, now I've got my porridge bowl. I'm just gonna pop it in here. And then basically I'm gonna take a spoon and I'm just gonna mix it all together. So now I'm gonna take my runny honey and basically smother it because porridge tastes nicer when it's sweet. In fact, who am I kidding? Everything tastes nicer when it's sweet. Okay guys, so it's now like 1 o'clock, so I'm going to make myself some lunch. I think I'm gonna make myself a hummus, falafel and salad wrap. I know I'm not cooking anything, but you wait till my tea because Josh, by the way, I'm making you tea. Oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna do you a run through of everything I've got. So we've got some tortilla wraps from Sainsbury's, some hummus, Sainsbury's, Aldi, and then we've also got some falafels. Josh is just gonna sit in the background and eat his lunch. So. Stick some maps out when I'm done. There's my wrap. Look at that. Josh is obsessed with tomatoes. Okay. I'm just gonna, can you see me spreading it? Yeah, you can. Just about. I'm not really sure how much I do. And now I'm gonna put some of the falafel on. If you've never tried hummus and falafel, you need to, because it's so nice. How many falafels should I use? Okay, so I'm gonna get a falafel out, and I'm just gonna pop it on my wrap. Ow. And then, I'm just gonna grab a knife and chop it in half, and then just shove it in the hummus. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some leaves on it. Yeah, it all fell out, whoopsie. Okay, now's the difficult bit. So I'm gonna try and roll it now. I think I'm only gonna do one end though, because yeah. Yay! And there you have it, my hummus, falafel and salad wrap. Okay, so it's about 5 o'clock and Mum said that I'll cook really slowly, so we needed to take an hour and a half to make the dinner for everyone. So. Oh, also, I have a different top on, my hair's different and my makeup's different. It's still the same day, but when you're a YouTuber, you have to change your makeup and you have to change your outfits and you have to do your makeup like 5 times a day. So just ignore that. Making this one, which is stuffed peppers with minted rice. It's really nice. Vegetarian, even though we're not vegetarian, but still. So we're gonna make that, and I'm gonna show you me making it. Okay. Oh, also, if you haven't watched me and my mum's YouTube video, then go check it out. I'm not sure when this is going up in comparison to that, but it just went live as I'm filming this, so go check it out. Okay, so this is a chopping board that I have. You can't see, can you see it?
To cook this anyway, but she feel for it.
I know, that's why I'm cooking. Oh my god! It happened again! The bottom falls out.
Dangerous. Imagine eating your dinner with that in.
Well, I think you're gonna notice if there's that spiky thing in your dinner. Okay, so now we need to do an onion, bit in half. This knife is super sharp, which scares me a little bit.
Swallow it. Swallow it.
My cooking's better than your cooking.
Oh yeah. Yeah, just stuff timely. Once at a time.
Like that. And don't say no because this is how I have it. Oh, my eyes hurt.
Oh my god, your lashes might fall off.
It's waterproof glue.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
She's so dramatic.
Stop making me laugh. We used to chop it into squares. And we have the sun-dried tomatoes that I cut up into small pieces. I'm gonna crush the garlic now. Ugh. I need to be strong and I'm not. Yay. It's still in mils. Okay, the boil of all the rice is now going into the pan. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to cut some olives in half. Is it just in half? Yeah. Now in this pan, we're going to be doing some of these pine nuts. I'm just going to do a generous, like that many.
Child, it's not parent. So
Oh, this is the 4th video I've filmed today.
Chips with Alex.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some feta cheese on top of the peppers that we filled with sauce. How many bits on each? Like 3? Okay, so this is the last bit of me cooking and this is the final food. So this is what I'm having for my dinner and yeah. Anyway guys, I really hope you did enjoy this video and like seeing me cooking everything for a day. I personally hated it. I like just doing nothing more making my food, but I guess this is what I'll have to do when I'm old. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye!